Pitch avatar integration with HubSpot Calendar. Enter the Account Settings menu. In the menu that opens, find the Integrations item, and in the Link to Calendar line, insert a link to your work calendar in HubSpot Calendar. Click Save Changes. Now, when creating a link to a presentation, a link to your personal work calendar will be automatically added. You can cancel the option to automatically insert calendar links at any time by deactivating it in the Account Settings Integrations menu. You can also insert a link to the calendar manually for each specific presentation. On the left side menu, go to the Presentations tab and create a link for the selected presentation. In the Link Settings window that opens, paste the link to your HubSpot calendar in the Link to the Calendar field. After setting all other options, click Create to create a link. You can send this link to your customers. When the listener clicks on the link, they can book a meeting with you by clicking the Schedule Meeting button at the bottom of the interface screen.